benefit for the benefit of the area.
Shillong All Faiths Forum celebrated its third Foundation Day today. The Meghalaya legacy of religious harmony strengthens further with the formation of Shillong All Faiths Forum during the COVID-19 pandemic. Governor Pagu Chauhan was the chief guest speaking to the media. Bishop P. Lingdor, President SAFF, called for peace, harmony, brotherhood and togetherness in the society.
Saff is a small seed that we have planted 3 years ago. This is our prayer, this is our hope that it will continue to grow in the sense that continue to bring people together. And whatever service, whatever work that we are able to do, what the government, what the society requires of us, we the Saff is there always willing to help and to be of service to the society.
And now